Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Looney, and I want to make a big announcement to start the video, and that is I went all in on Newsmax. I sold all of my positions, and now my full portfolio is into Newsmax, and I'm going to use this as my long-term play and hopefully double my portfolio. Now, obviously, that is April Fool's. Today's April 1st. We're not doing meme plays out here. We plan to do steady income. Even in this pump right now that's going on, which kind of feels like a classic April Fool's pump, especially with the liberation, with the tariffs going on tomorrow or going into effect tomorrow, that we're seeing this massive pump from crypto and other stocks. It sort of feels like a little bit of a fake out, or like I said before, April Fool's joke. Everything's green, everyone's hype, but just to keep it real, we've seen this before. We've seen these moves. They're not really moving for any reason. They're just up today, and then right after that, we see a massive pullback. So instead of just buying this hype, I am going to stick to what's worked for me in the past and for the future. And also, I want to just quickly talk about my Discord. It is free to join. And then I also have a premium version with a little bit more perks. You get one-on-one coaching, live trade alerts. There's coaching sessions. I give out newsletters and giveaways. You could check it out. All links will be in the description, and you can read up on it there. But what actually has worked for me? In the past year or year to date, I'm actually down 13%. Year, I'm up 10%. Year to date, I am down 10%, but the entire market's been down, so I'm not that concerned. Obviously, I don't like seeing red. It does suck to see this, but I am learning from it and learning not to go all in on these hype crypto and all these different moves, and just stick to what my strategy is, and that's selling weekly or monthly cash secured puts. You can see I have a lot going on SoFi. I was invested a lot into Riot, and I've sort of pulled back, not because I'm bearish on Riot, just because at this point it's 20% of my portfolio, and I think I am a little bit over leveraged in Riot. Although it is a buying opportunity, or a lot of analysts say it's buying opportunity, and I do feel like it's trading relatively low. I don't want to be over leveraged more. I'm already over leveraged. I already have Mara and other crypto, so crypto takes up a lot of my portfolio. So instead, I'm selling puts on SoFi, a little bit safer stock, and NEO is a Chinese company, so a little bit of a hedge with that one. A lot of SoFi ones going on. There's one that's in the money, $12.5 put, and these other ones are out of the money, which is really good. And I just acquired some shares the other week at the 13 call or put, and my average cost is 12.46. Robinhood, I think recently has just started factoring in the cost or adjusted cost, because my strike was 13 and I got a premium of $54. So I think that's why my average cost is at 12.46, which is actually really cool to see. I didn't realize that until the other day. So I'm down $54 or 4% on this, and I'm selling a covered call. You could see here, and a lot of other puts. Just quickly break down what a cash secured put is. You sell a put on a stock that you already want to own. And like I said, that's been stocks like SoFi, Hood. Although Hood, I can't really afford to do cash secured puts, I still like it as a investment. In Riot lately. You get paid up front. You get this premium that you get paid up front, which I just went over, that $54 for that other trade. And that cash you could use for whatever. You could buy long-term calls. You can buy other stocks or other positions. And it's for agreeing to buy the stock at a lower price and locking up your investment for a certain amount of time. And if the stock drops, that's okay. For me personally, I get to buy it at a discount, or at least cheaper than what it was that day. And if it does stay above my strike price, I get to keep the premium and you don't get the shares. So you get your cash back and you get to do it over and over again. So just to quickly go over the last 30 days, past past month, I've been down 7%, but if we go to my options, the past month, I'm actually up 2%. Actually, not that great, but let's look at the year to date. Year to date, I'm up 25%. So that's really good. And I've gotten 1,200 just from selling puts, selling covered calls, and I have a bunch of trades. There's more than I could count. It says 17 right here. Across SoFi, Robinhood, or not Robinhood, SoFi, Riot, Neo, and Mara was another one. And also zero margin was used. These are all cash secured. So great payouts for the year. Definitely help hedging. Now, this strategy isn't super flashy, if I'm being honest. It's very boring, and it's actually long-term. It works, especially in sideways or fake out markets like we're seeing right now. Red day, green day, I'm still getting paid that premium. So drop a comment below if you're running this play or want help starting. I give real-time trade alerts and breakdowns in my premium Discord. We're building consistent income no matter what the market's doing. Like, subscribe, and happy April Fools. Don't fall for the fake pumps. Peace.